Hello and welcome to the first in the series of my beginner's guide to Google Sheets. In this tutorial I'm going to be setting up a Google account and also creating our first Google Sheet. So what we'll be doing now is opening up your browser. For me it will be Mozilla Firefox. Obviously you could either have Windows Explorer, Safari, whatever you're going on. The great thing about Google Sheets is that you can actually use it on anything, on Linux, Mac, PC, even your phones. It's good. Okay, so first of all, click in your address bar and type in sheets.google.com. It's just auto-populated for me there. Okay, now because I've not actually signed up before, I have, but not on this browser, because I want to actually show you how to create a Google account just in case you haven't got one. If you do have a Google account, obviously enter in your email and password now and you'll be able to go. But for me, I'm going to be creating a new one. So I'll go down to here to create account. Name, Tony Gibbons, choose a username, so I'll have Tony Gibbons tutorials at gmail.com. Create a password. Birthday, put in my actual birthday just in case anyone wants to send me a birthday card or anything like that. I put in a different year just in case anybody decides to, steal my identity or whatever. Not that I don't trust you. Okay. Country. Can anyone guess? I'm not letting you have my mobile number, sorry. Okay, skip the type text 197. Location is not United States, it's United Kingdom. Next step. Privacy terms, yeah, detailed read of that. Okay, so it doesn't actually want me to give him my phone number, so I'll do that, but I will take it out of the video. Okay, so if you do put in your mobile number, they'll send you a text message, which you can enter in here now. So mine was 478385. And see how it goes. Okay, welcome Tony. Your new email address is tonygibbonstutorials@gmail.com. Continue to Google Docs. Okay, welcome to Google Sheets. Quickly create new spreadsheets and open existing ones. Share with others and edit together. Okay, let's take the tour and see how we go. To start a new blank spreadsheet, or choose a template to help you get started. You can find your spreadsheets using the file picker to browse any folders that you've set up in Google Drive. We'll cover Google Drive later, but it's really good. Search any spreadsheets you've created. Now, in my current job, the amount of spreadsheets we've got is unbelievable. So it's so handy to be able to just quickly go into Google Sheets and be able to search them by name rather than trying to remember what folder you put it in. It's good. Okay. Click the menu to switch to your documents in Docs, your presentations in Slides, or your files on Drive. You can also find settings, help and submit feedback here. If you're a Chrome user, make sure that you've installed the Office editing or DocSheet slides extension to edit Office files. Okay, well, I mean, obviously I'm using Firefox, but anybody that was using Chrome might, like to click on the link there and go ahead with it. But for now, let's not worry about it. Okay, got it. So all I'll be doing now, since we've set up our Google account, what I'd actually like for you to be able to do is create a sheet. There's all these what do you call them, templates that have already been made. You can click more to find out more. Schedules, travel planners, calendars, 15 and 16, which might be handy for you to go. But I mean, spreadsheets for me, I enjoy creating something myself and being able to do it exactly the way I want. I don't want to use templates. I want to make them. Just want to make them. So we'll go over to here to blank. Click it and it'll start loading up. Okay, so here we have the basics of the spreadsheet. If you have used spreadsheets in the past, either whether it be in Excel or OpenOffice, LibreOffice, anything else. Okay, so the only real difference between this and Excel and LibreOffice, or all the other spreadsheets that you may have used, is that this is completely based in your browser. You can, you don't have to install anything. You could go to a library, a school, use a friend's computer and still be able to bring up any spreadsheet that you've created. So yeah, this basically, when you open up a new spreadsheet, you'll get this, which should look very familiar to anyone that has used spreadsheets before. Those who haven't, it doesn't particularly matter. I'll run through everything and get you going. Okay, the first thing that I would always do when opening up a spreadsheet is come up to here. So this is how you name your spreadsheet. All you have to do is click on it, highlights blue. You don't have to delete it, you can just start typing. So my first spreadsheet, press enter, there we go. Another great thing about Google Sheets as well is that it automatically saves. Every time you type in something, make a change, it saves. Later on I should also show you how to go back and check for any changes. Just in case you've, I don't know, might be making a database of your friends' phone numbers and things, and you might think, oh God, what was Susie's phone number 6 months ago? You can actually check. You can go back and check on all changes that have been made at particular dates. Okay, so yeah, that's been saved. My first spreadsheet. Now now I'm not going to go into too much of anything now, really. Just show you how to create it and also how to get back to it. So once you have created it and not saved it, because it does it all automatically, if you wanted to come back the following day and open up the same one, open up sheets.google.com. And here we have it. That is what you've just created, my first spreadsheet. We can click it and it should open up to exactly what we've done before. Other things you can do is, if you have got more than one, sadly this is hung up first, we can click open and have a look that way. We can also create a new spreadsheet from here, or documents, forms, presentations. Those are things that we can cover another time, but there's a lot we can do with Google and its free offerings. So that's all for now. Hopefully see you on the next video. If you've got any comments, please write them below. Thank you very much.